माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
No,
फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
You better go to the seat. No. This is not. He's speaking. Why you are interviewing?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Kaushik Agrawal, you address to me.
On electoral reform,
You address to me.
We need a discussion on that immediately.
जो सदस्य अपना नाम दिए हैं, अपने नाम से नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम भी नहीं पढ़ते, सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते, ये अच्छा नहीं। See, you try to see everywhere. The earlier they used to see one side, only Nadda Sahab.
You are speaking. I am listening now.
No. You see, हाउस ऑर्डर में लाना आपका काम है, सरकार का काम, हमारा नहीं। हम SIR is going fast and nearly 12-13 people have died. I want discussion should take place now only. Kindly allow, so we'll keep quiet and one by one we'll speak.
Today I am told by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that very soon there is a meeting going to take place with the opposition leaders and accordingly we'll decide accordingly.
आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं और आप जो है गुस्सा यहाँ सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए। ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है।
Now matters rise with permission. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूँ। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
You better go to the seat. No. This is not correct. This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to give anything to you. None.
मैं चाहूंगा
will be.
तमाम विद्यालयों
Not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into it.
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सब समता, समानता,
Nothing will go unregarded except the speaking up of Manoj
इन
Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे, तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में विद्यालयों में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं, वैसे माहौल में
You are not in a position to take your people to the
एनिहिलेशन ऑफ
Why you are shouting?
इन दोनों का समराइज्ड
What right you are having? Every time you are shouting like this. No.
ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से
I am not going to allow this indiscipline.
मैं आपके
I am not
माध्यम
at all
से
going to allow this discipline.
आपसे अपेक्षित है
You are always
मेरी
denying the
बातें
rights of the
शोरगुल में खत्म हो
individual
गई।
members. That
मुझे
cannot
फिर
be
मौका
encouraged.
दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. He is seated, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, House is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
He is speaking. Why you are interfering?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Fauziya Khan,
Discussion
Fauziya Khan,
on
you address to
SIR,
me.
On electoral
You
reform,
address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
No,
We need that
now,
urgently.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. The leader of the opposition, please be brief and you express your concern, then I will.
सर थैंक यू वेरी मच आपने मुझे समय दिया इसीलिए मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। तो आज हमने जो नोटिस दी है रूल 267 में उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है और कौन कौन हमारे सदस्य नोटिस दिए हैं उनका नाम, सब्जेक्ट ये बताना चाहिए। ये परंपरा रही है, जैसा कि निचले हाउस में एडजर्नमेंट मोशन जब देते हैं तब भी ऐसा ही वहां पर किया जाता है और यहाँ पर भी किया जाता था। लेकिन सडनली जो सदस्य अपना नाम दिए हैं, अपने नाम से नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम भी नहीं पढ़ते, सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते, ये अच्छा नहीं। और आप साहब, मैं आपका आई डोंट वांट टू एम्ब्रेस यू because you have, today is the first day of working. See, you try to see everywhere. The earlier they used to see one side, only Nadda Sahab. Now, sir, you are seeing only this table down, and you are not seeing us.
What I have to see? You want me to see all the people in the world?
Yeah.
That I have to see?
That's why.
That I am not going to
1 minute.
That-
And I
You are
raised my
elder-
hand.
You are a very elderly senior leader. When the house is in order, I will listen to everyone. When the house is not in order, how a chairperson can listen to everyone?
Sir,
What to listen? So you are speaking, I am listening now.
No. You see, हाउस ऑर्डर में लाना आपका काम है, सरकार का काम, हमारा नहीं। हम जो चीज नहीं, हम जो सब्जेक्ट आपके सामने रखते हैं।
Yesterday you have raised some points. Immediately I asked the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to respond. He responded. He wants some time, but you are not agreeing
No,
to
he
it.
evaded. Yes, sir, you allow us to.
Everybody, they are.
We
They
should-
never. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Minister has never said. No. Please. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry has responded positively. He seeks some time for answering to your request. That we should give to him.
No time, sir. These are the urgent matters.
What
People are
urgent?
dying, and SIR He is going fast, and nearly 13 people have died, and BOL 28 people have died. Sir, this is an urgent matter to save democracy.
You put your words. I will ask the government to respond.
I want discussion should take place now only, and in the interest of democracy, in the interest of citizens, in the interest of the country.
Okay.
So I request you, sir,
please
you
take your
should
seat.
allow.
I will ask.
You should allow for discussion. Our members are ready. We will definitely cooperate with you. We don't want to say anything. Kindly allow, so we will keep quiet. And one by one we will speak.
I will.
Parliamentary affairs minister has come.
I will ask the honourable leader of the house to respond. Sir, you want to respond? They are asking. You want to respond?
Sir, as the leader of the opposition has raised the question of the discussion and about 267, Rule 267, and as yesterday the Parliamentary Affairs Minister had said that we will come back. Today I am told by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that very soon there is a meeting going to take place with the opposition leaders, and accordingly we will decide. That Parliamentary Affairs Minister will tell.
No. You want to respond? Rijiji? Yes.
Yesterday, what I said, please don't put timeline condition on anything. Now, I have. दोरा जी, आपका आवाज बहुत ज़्यादा जोर है. Sir, my only limited request is that I'm going to engage with the leader of oppositions from different political parties. It may be formally, informally, but ultimately it will come to you, sir, formally once we start the process of some consultation. Now the problem starts. Problem begins when you start questioning the time. Everything cannot be mechanical. In parliamentary democracy, we have to engage in dialogue. We have to engage in discussion. There are many issues in the country. You should not undermine one issue and take up another issue. All the issues are important. All the issues are important. Government, ये देखिए सर, आप चुनाव नहीं जीत पाते हैं, जनता आपको विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, और आप जो है गुस्सा या सदन में निकालते हो, ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है. लोकतंत्र में चुनाव का प्लेटफॉर्म जनता का बीच होता है. ये कल भी हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि यह बिजनेस तैयार किया गया है, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन एक बात तो हम लोग औपचारिक मिलना तो चाहिए. ये टाइम बताते कि अभी बताओ कब से होगा, ऐसा कोई तरीका नहीं होता है.
You please go back to your seats. The minister has agreed to discuss with the opposition leaders. Let it happen in the evening, and tomorrow let them come back to us. Till that time, we will stick on to our. We will proceed with the listed business, please. The House will meet at 2 p.m. today.